What's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode. Today, we're going to talk about another question that I received from a loyal subscriber, another bearded guy in our community. He said, B, can I wash my beard with shampoo? So, let's get right into why you may not want to be washing your beard with shampoo. Well, let's go. All right, the first thing that you want to understand in terms of your beard, your hair, ask yourself this question. Would you wash your face with shampoo? Would you? Probably not. I know I would not, So ask yourself that question. Number two, the scalp on your head versus your skin underneath your beard are two different surfaces in terms of your scalp produces more sebum oil. And also it has more follicles versus on the skin underneath your beard doesn't produce as much and there's not as many follicles. So that's number two. So when these manufacturers are producing shampoo, they're producing these shampoos for your scalp because you have oily scalp, so they have to make it super aggressive and strong to make sure that they can wash the excess amount of sebum oil that you may have on your scalp. Also, you got to understand you have to cover more follicles, so you have to take that in consideration. The other piece that you want to also take into consideration is that when you're using shampoo for your beard, you start to find that it will cause it to dry and accelerate in dryness. So it would accelerate your dryness because again, you're not gonna wash your face with shampoo. So just use that logic and that thinking, all right? You wanna use a beard wash 1 to 2 times a week, all right? Use 1 to 2 times a week because it's a much gentler wash. And then some guys are even using a co-wash in between. All right, so you can use a co-wash because it's also a gentler wash, but it won't dry your beard because if you wash, every single day, you start finding that your beard is dry. So, but with a co-wash, it won't dry your beard out. Well, I hope that answered your question. I know this is like a conversation that has gone on in the beard community, and I just want to clear it up. All right, if you've washed your beard with shampoo like I've washed it with shampoo in my earlier days, leave that comment at the bottom. All right, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share because sharing is caring. Hit that like if you found that this information was useful to you. As always, watch my other episodes, and this is your boy B. Deuces.